Good morning. Today I thought I would take you guys along for sort of a summer homeschool day in the life. We have already gotten up, gotten dressed. I got all the little ones dressed. They are eating some cereal right now. And my oldest daughter is looking up library books to check out on the computer. We've started morning chores. Those will get finished. We have some errands to run today, mostly getting groceries because we're almost completely out of food, which happens very easily here with 6 hungry kids. So yeah, I am fixing to load dishes that didn't get loaded last night. The kids unloaded the dishwasher, so I've got to do a load of dishes. It's pretty messy. And then yeah, I'll take you along with us and share our day with you guys.
I'm still finished.
You're not finished? Is it good? Yeah.
Where's our comics?
I'm not sure. You eating some cereal? How about you, Eli? Is that good cereal? I've got homeschool stuff out because we are officially starting next week. We're technically year-round homeschoolers. We've been off for about 6-ish weeks now, so we're ready to start back, and I need to figure out what supplies we're going to need for our first week. Creation to the Greeks, and then Introduction to Energy. I plan to do 2 science lessons per week, and then, of course, everything in here except for the science lessons. Yum, yum. So we're getting ready to go pick up groceries.
I am drawing a picture on coloring line.
Yeah, Walmart grocery pickup saves our lives, right, guys?
Yay!
So we just got home from Walmart grocery pickup. We got all of our groceries put up. I've made lunch for everybody. Kids are having corn dogs, goldfish, and grapes, along with some smoothies that I made with just some bananas and berries and almond milk. And I'll show you what I'm having. I'm having one of those Joseph's wraps, hang on buddy, with some grilled chicken, tomato, lettuce, bacon bits, and cheese, and hot sauce. This is just some cucumbers and onions soaked in vinegar with salt and pepper and a little bit of pure sweetener, and then a couple of mini bell peppers on the side. So that is my lunch, and I'll pick back up after we're done eating and let you know what else we are doing today. Are we having an afternoon rest? It's way too hot to do anything outside, so we are having an afternoon rest. We've got littles playing Paw Patrol, and we are watching BBC Earth. Yeah, someone likes Peter Rabbit. He likes watching animal shows, so we're all watching that. There's the little, seriously guys, there's the littles playing Paw Patrol on the floor, and Brookie, what are you doing?
In this episode, we'll meet incredible creatures.
So that's what we're doing right now before we do some fun preschool stuff. our preschool lesson plan, we've been working on Goldilocks and the Three Bears. And I'm really excited because today, the day that you're seeing this video, these lesson plans will be available on my blog for you to go and get for yourself and your kiddos. But I mean, we've had so much fun. The kids love this story. We made cute fork painted bears. My whole punch broke, so Mama Bear is the only one that I've been able to punch out, but my daughter laced Mama Bear up. We also have Papa Bear, but he's disappeared somewhere. These are the little retelling pieces, and my 4-year-old set, and he has actually played with this with, I have a DIY felt board. Basically all it is just some old foam board cut down, and then a piece of black felt that I need to lint roll, hot glued down on top of it. And I put little pieces of felt on the back of these. And he's actually taken and played with this and retold the story on his own a few times. You say hi? And we've just been having so much fun. We made potato stamps with bear tracks. These are the counting cards. And we're using counting bears with them, but you could also use Teddy Grahams with them. There's a book list, a song. It's just been so much fun. So, oh, here's our little bear tracks. Aren't those cute? And I have all the instructions for all of this, plus the book list and everything else included in the printable pack. Yes. You need to poke holes in that potato before you warm it up. So, yeah, that's what we're doing for preschool. So excited. The next one that I'm planning on making is the little red hen. I think that one will be a lot of fun too. And then we'll see what other ones I make, but I have several and we have enjoyed all of them. Just doing all of the little crafts and activities, and I have to buy some new do-a-dot markers because I threw away all of our old ones because they were all tore up. But we also have some ABC cards. I haven't laminated those quite yet, but you know, to play matching games and stuff. The full lesson plan there, so much fun. So be on the lookout. I'll have a link to that down below if you're interested. And we are thinking about going to an arcade this evening with all the kids, so that will be a lot of fun for them. The kids played outside for a little bit and it's just too hot to be out there honestly, but they tried it anyway. Yeah, we're still having a pretty chill day. I need to do a little bit of cleaning, the glass on the windows and the doors and all of that, but other than that, it's just been a pretty chill day today. Let me see.
Mama, I did it. I did it, Mama.
Yeah.
Now it's Alva's turn.
Family of bears who live there had just left out the front door for a walk with their bowls of breakfast porridge cooled off on their kitchen table.
It's my turn.
Listen, hello, called Goldilocks. Anybody home? Well, there was nobody home, of course, and Goldilocks should have turned around and gone back to the meadow. But oh, it was ever so pretty and curious inside there that even though her mother had told her not to go into people's houses, the kitchen table, and yes, that porridge smelled so delicious that I'm afraid she forgot that her mother had told her not to touch other people's food, and she decided that she had to have a taste, and she did. First, she took a taste from the great huge Papa Bear bowl, but oh my no, that porridge was much too hot.